we have access to huge amounts of data in today's world, and it is very important to analyze and manage the data in order to use it for something important. The words data and analysis go hand in hand as they depend on each other. Data analysis and research are also related as they both involve several tools and techniques that are used to predict the outcome of the specific task for the benefit of any company. The majority of businesses issues include several factors. When making choices, managers use a variety of performance indicators and associated metrics. When selecting which items or services to buy, consumers consider a variety of factors. The equities that a broker suggests are influenced by variety of variables. One of those analytical techniques that are used to read a huge amount of data is known as multivariate data analysis. We'll see. I've given you a little bit of gist. We'll see what are we going to study about the entire topic. This is the outline. Multivariate data analysis, techniques of multivariate data analysis, factor analysis, cluster analysis, discriminant analysis, structural equation analysis, time series analysis, machine learning algorithms, text mining and sentiment analysis, predictive analysis, supervised machine analysis. So these are the outline that we are going to deeply study and understand.